about to find out about the largest Lang RoboTrex 96 system that has been sold in the UK. And guess what? It's going on a GROB. Congratulations, Sarah. This is incredible on your recent investment in a Lang RoboTrex. But before we begin the interview, tell me a little bit more about Muffett Engineering. What do you do?
Okay, we are a precision engineering company. We've been going for a long time. We've been going for over 100 years. My great-grandfather started the business.
Wow.
We are specialists in gears, but we also do turning, milling, grinding and assembly. So our biggest customers are medical, but we also deal with a variety of others.
Off camera, you said you're all about precision, and you almost said, you said we like to lead the way in what we do, and I guess that's kind of sitting on your shoulders when you're making investments in products like the RoboTrex.
Yeah, 100%.
So what was the reason behind the investment? What was happening in your business where you went, we need this or else?
I think we are always way ahead in terms of investing in new, exciting equipment. Our machines, particularly in milling, we're getting a bit old.
Okay.
We've got a workforce that's changing, so we felt that it now was the right time to press the button and do something different and invest in something important.
And why do you think it's going to change the business? What's it going to do for yourselves?
I think it will help improve lead times, I think it will help improve prices, and I think it will also give us more opportunities.
Well, Danny, I've got to say another congratulations as well to yourself, because this is a huge investment that they've made, but something quite new for yourselves as well. It's the largest in the UK.
Yeah, absolutely. Obviously our work holding goes hand in hand with GROB machine tools, but this is the first time we've put a RoboTrex onto a GROB machine in the UK, and it's the largest RoboTrex 96 we've ever sold as well, so yeah.
It's so cool. Right, okay, so what is the system that they've gone for and why?
So they've gone for the RoboTrex 96, which is the bigger of the two systems that we offer. They've also gone for a 4-trolley system, so it offers them up to 60 pallets. So initially they're doing a turnkey solution for Muffett, but it also gives them the flexibility to do all of the subcontract work that they're also going to be bringing in the future.
And what is it about your system? And I know because I've done some case studies with you and some success stories with yourself on the RoboTrex, but what is it and why have they gone in particular for this system? Why does it work so well for them?
I think that what the RoboTrex offers them is a very simple, flexible system. So it's simple for operators to learn and to understand because you don't have to reprogram the robot, but it also offers you the flexibility like a pallet system would, where you can change the work that you're automating on a day-to-day basis. So for a subcontractor like Muffett, it's just an ideal solution.
And Danny, how easy do you make it for a customer to invest in a whole turnkey solution like this?
I think what the RoboTrex system does is it bridges a gap between a robot loading system and a pallet loading system. So you have all the flexibility of loading pallets, but also at a lower cost, similar to a robot loading system.
So why does it work so well on a GROB then?
So the GROB machines are fantastic and obviously give you all the 5-axis capability and lots of other benefits. And the RoboTrex really bolting onto that just gives you the ability to automate lots of different parts all in one load.
In the future, where do you see this going? Is this going to be something that is a one-off, or do you think that is actually the direction that you need to go? Automation is going to be the way forward, I guess.
Yeah, I think automation is definitely the way forward. I mean, we have to, as everybody knows, we're in competition with the rest of the world. So I think to keep going and keep engineering alive in the UK, we've got to invest in automation.